everyone, in this video I will be showing you resolve Instagram login error 2024 quickly. So I will be showing you a few methods on how to fix this error first. If you open your Instagram and you see this error, you cannot log in, so I'm going to show you how to fix this one. The very first thing you should do here is you have to simply exit your Instagram application and then go to Google web browser, add a web browser. And then one of the reasons why you encounter this error is that Instagram is indeed down at the very moment. So to confirm that Instagram is not working well or the current status and problems, you have to type is Instagram down and you will see this down detector. So if you tap this one and you scroll down here, you will see the current status of Instagram. And if you see that there is indeed a problem, so what you're going to do here is you just have to wait for a couple of hours, or we don't know, but you just have to wait till they fix the problem. So when you open Instagram, you will not see that error or something is not working well with your Instagram application. The second thing to do here, once you have found out that Instagram is not okay, or let's just say Instagram is okay and there's no problem with the application, the next method you should do here is you have to exit this browser and then make sure that you are connected to a strong Wi Fi or strong data. To know that you are currently connected to a strong data or internet, what you're going to do here is you have to run a speed test. So if you confirm here that your internet is strong, then you have to proceed with the third method. So if Instagram is okay and your internet is strong and okay, then the third thing to do here is you just have to simply long press the Instagram application, open app info, and then this time you have to click the storage usage and click this clear cache. After that, go back and see if the problem has been solved. If not, then the very last thing to do here is uninstall your Instagram application. So you just have to long press again the Instagram application and then tap uninstall. Go back to your Google Play Store, App Store, type Instagram, and reinstall it again. So I hope that one of these methods will work if ever you encounter this Instagram login error. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.